So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of slides, and if I were to click on present, you can see that the slides just appear just like that, and the text appear as well. If I were to click, let's say, tap on the right arrow key, you can see that the slides, they actually go through one another, but there is no individual animation in the slide itself. So what I want to do is I want the content to only appear after I let's say, for example, click. Then what I can do is I can add in animations. So I'm just going to go around over here, and I'm going to click on the object that I want to animate. In this case, I want to animate the title. So I want it to appear when I click my mouse button. So I can simply go on to animate. Then what happens is that by default, fade in animation is added in. So if I were to click on present now, you'll be able to see that the title does not appear anymore. So if I were to click, you can see that now the title appears. Let me just press escape right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in another animation. So I can go over here, and if I were to click on animate, you can see that fade in has been added to this as well. So I'm just going to go around onto content right here. I can click on animate right here, or I can go around over here and click on add animation. It does the same thing right there as well. I can go around and do the same with content 3, add animation, and I'm going to add animation, and I'm going to go around onto this. I can select both of these at the same time as well. So I'm just going to go around and select both of these, add animation, as you can see right there. But right now, this is with previous right here because we selected both of those. So I'm just going to go around and select on click. So all the animations have been added in. Besides that, I also want to add in an image right here. So I'm just going to go into insert, and I'm going to go to drive right here. Let's see what image I have on my drive right here. So it's loading out the image right there. So I have the TutorTube logo. So I'm just going to bring this in right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to animate this as well. So I'm just going to go around, and then I'm going to click on add animation, and you can see that is how it works like. So I can just go around and hit the present button, and now let's see how this slide looks. So right now the slide opens up, but nothing happens. As I click the mouse button, you can see that the title appears. Click it again, and the subtitle appears. Click it again, and then the logo appears. Click it again, it goes to the next slide. Click it, then the title appears. Click it, then the content appears. Next slide. Click it, and then. So unless you actually click, it does not reveal the content, which is great for different kind of presentations when you slowly reveal out the information. So you can just go around, click it, and you can see that the information is revealed out. And that is how you can add in animations inside of Google Slides. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.